Mr. Cardone, this is Vince Del Monte. One of your sales guys just called me and asked if I'd got any results since your 3-day sales boot camp, and I said, you better believe it.
We make 63% of our money back on day one. What would your advice be to start scaling this up and just getting more aggressive? What's the ad spend strategy?
Yeah, it's a great question, by the way, okay? So what I would do is I would start looking at spending some time on who's playing in your park that causes you to be conservative.
I closed 12 guys within 30 days into my 1-month business coaching program. It's over $200,000 in 30 days. That's net profit. So thank you so much. And guess where all that came from? The qualifying tips and not being afraid to ask hard questions, asking why now, why not now?
Qualifying tips. Number 1, ask hard questions. What's a hard question? Why wouldn't you do this?
Mr. Cardone, you are the man. Keep pushing us. When you came up on stage like 6 minutes into the event, you guys were pitching 6 minutes into the event, and you go, if you haven't got your money's worth yet, that's not my fault.
How many have already gotten something out of this workshop already? You're like, okay, I got my money's worth already. By the way, if it takes you more than 20 minutes to get your money's worth, that's your fault, not mine.
That was outstanding. That's the mindset.
Do it. I promise you, I will make it worth 1,000 times what you pay.
Keep doubling down. Don't back off. It's working. It's helping. And I can't wait to come back.